What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another power bank, you guys, but these are not just small power banks I'm reviewing. This one in particular is a big power bank. And I'm not talking about like super big power bank. I'm talking about big as far as watts go. This thing is 65 watts. This thing can charge your laptop, you guys. Coming in at 30,000 milliamps. 30,000. Let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. All right, and here we go. Now, brand name is BLAVOR. I don't want to butcher it, so hopefully I am pronouncing this name right. So there we go with that. Now, first thing that comes out is the instructions. Gotta love it. All right, you guys. So as you know, power banks are good if you are a portable person. All right, if you're a wireless person, portable. Like if you the type that goes to Starbucks and Panera Bread and all those, you know, shops, what is that, Bagels and Grind and all that, and you don't feel like plugging into the wall. If you don't feel like plugging into the wall, then this can be your alternative, especially for a laptop, you guys, because it's not too many of them out there that's, you know, in this budget range that's charging your laptop. Now, with that being said, this thing can charge up your laptop to 50% in 30 minutes. And they're talking about a MacBook 14. All right, you guys, so from what it looks like, it has a USB Type-C right here. And I love the way that you can just snap it back in. Well, it don't really snap back in, but it goes back in very nice. And they didn't forget about the lightning charger, you guys. Some people out there, well, a lot of people out there still have the lightning charger. If you hit the power button, here on the side, you get 100%. Now, if you turn it on this side, you can see the ports. All right, you guys, so the main part where you want to charge your laptop is this one right here where it says 65 watts. All right, you guys, so right here with the USB Type-C, that's a 65 watt output of charge. So this is the best place to charge up your laptop. Not the one that's already mounted on here, but the one right here. That is the best way to charge your laptop because it gives you 65 watts of power to charge up your laptop. So this is like the 65 watt block that's on your laptop that you have. All right. And then basically you have 5 ways you can charge up. So you can charge up your laptop. You could charge up your iPhone, you could charge up your Android, or you have 2 different options of USB charging right there. And then you can see the output that the ports have, all right? That is awesome. So if you need like super fast charge and stuff like that, you know what output and what charge it does. If you see in, that means charge it. And they gave you a charger, but I'm pretty sure everybody has a lot of these chargers, you guys. All right, so this is how you charge it. This is power in, power in. Everything else, you can charge this USB Type-C, or you could charge this with the micro right there, the old school style. All right, one main thing to take in, it says it can charge your MacBook Pro 1.5 times, okay? So it will give it one whole full charge, and then it will give it a half a charge, and then this thing will basically need to be charged. So iPad mini, it says it does 4.2 times, and then the iPhone 13, it says up to 6.5 times. It always tell you what it does with the iPhone. Unfortunately, us Android users, they don't care about us. Charges immediately, you guys. All right, and then I can hook up whatever lightning charger. Well, my kids' phones upstairs, they have iPhone. I left iPhone, long story. So this is basically a 65 watt block, you guys, and it's portable. All right, portable. It'll give your laptop enough juice to last another charge and a half. That is awesome. That's the most impressive thing with this unit right here. So I think it's worth it. All right, you guys, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.